नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स। नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स। नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स। नमो बुद्धाय मित्रों। Let us understand meaning of धम्मपद यमक वग्ग 3। अकोक्षिमं अवधिमं अजिनिमें अहासिमे ये तं उपनयहन्ति वीरं ते संज्ञा सम्मति। अकोक्षिमं abused me, avadimang beat me, ajanimang defeated me, ahashime robbed me। में ये those उपनयहन्ति harbor keep in mind, वेरंग hatred, तेसंग there न not no, सम्मति appeased soothe calm। Then the translation of above vag is: he abused me, he beat me, he defeated me, he robbed me। In those who harbor or keep in mind such thoughts, their hatred is not appeased, became calm। The fourth vagga is अकोक्षिमे अवधिमं अजनिमं अहासिमे ये तंगना उपनयहन्ति वीरं ते सुपसम्मति। अगेन फोर्थ वग अकोक्षिमं अवधिमं अजनिमं अहासिमे ये तंगना उपनयहन्ति वीरं ते सुपसम्मति। He abused me, he beat me, he defeated me, he robbed me। In those who do not harbor or keep in their mind such thoughts, their hatred is appeased, became calm, cool। Now let us understand these two vaggas by a story of Tissa, the Venerable Tissa, proud of being a cousin of the Buddha, did not pay the respect to the senior monks, bhikkhu, when they resented his improper conduct. He took offense and, threatening them, went up to the Buddha and made a complaint against the monks, bhikshus. The Buddha, who understood the position, advised him to apologize, but the Venerable Tissa was obstinate. The Buddha then reiterated a story to show that Tissa had done likewise in a previous birth. Later, the Venerable Tissa was compelled to seek pardon for the senior monks. Now, about this story, the Buddha's consent advice to his followers is not to retaliate but to practice patience at all times, at all places, even under provocation. The Buddha extols, applauds those who bear and forbear the wrongs of others, though they have the power to retaliate. In the Dhamma itself, there are many instances to show how the Buddha practiced patience even when he was severely criticized, abused, and attacked. Patience is not a sign of weakness or defeatism, but the unfailing strength of great men and women. Namo Buddhaya. Thank you.